Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan STO step by step. Begin by lightly sketching the car's fundamental shape using simple geometric forms. Focus on establishing the correct proportions, like ensuring the body is roughly 3 times longer than its height. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced and accurate drawing, so take your time to get it right before adding details. Now, let's refine the body lines, bringing out the Huracan STO's aggressive character. Carefully draw the sharp angles and aerodynamic elements that make this car so iconic. Focus on the prominent front bumper, the large side air intakes, and the unique vents on the hood. These details are key to capturing its powerful and dynamic presence. Next, we'll add the wheels, windows, and lighting elements. Draw the large, detailed wheels, paying attention to the spokes and visible brake calipers. Outline the sleek windows and windshield, ensuring they follow the car's curves. Finally, carefully detail the distinctive headlights and taillights, as these features significantly contribute to the Huracan STO's recognizable look. For our final steps, erase any unnecessary construction lines and darken your main outlines to make the drawing pop. Now, add shading to give your Lamborghini Huracan STO depth and dimension, emphasizing its sculpted surfaces and aerodynamic curves. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Practice makes perfect, so keep drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.